Hi everybody, how are you? Forgive my voice. I got a bit of a bad flu, but I guess a lot of people have that at the time. But work goes on, so we're here to give you another update on the apartment we're doing right now in this beautiful frontline beach complex. So let me show you where we're at here. So what we're doing at the moment in this apartment, you know, here obviously was a wall, we've taken this away. This was a kitchen, it's now going to be integrated in the whole of the lounge. As it should be, which is fashionable at the moment. We're doing the plumbing as we speak. We're replacing all of the plumbing and drainage of the whole of apartment. We've done also already the cutting inside the walls for all the electricity. Which going to be started shortly. And if we go down to here, you can see we build out a little bit here, this wall. What we basically did is convert it into a little closet. We converted it into a guest toilet, which is very handy in this apartment. It's actually a 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. There used to be an extra door here for the bathroom that was shared for both of these bedrooms. Now for the wishes of the client, we're going to make this into actually a sort of a storage laundry room where we're going to have the washing machine, a dryer, we're going to have the boiler here, and this is actually going to be a storage space. And then the idea is to make the bigger bedroom here with a larger wardrobe, an ensuite. So this is now going to be a completely ensuite bathroom and bedroom. And in the master, it was a quite dark hallway here. Again, we're going to have a glass panel here. Make sure the light comes through. In theory, the whole bathroom will stay open. There used to be a bath there. We're going to make this now a really nice walking shower. Here we're going to have obviously the worktop and the bathroom furniture with a nice tile behind it and mirrors, lighting, LED, etc., etc. And this is the master bedroom. As you can see, the views are spectacular. So yeah, it's really cool. It was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. We're keeping it a 3-bedroom, but we have another extra toilet. We're putting the kitchen into the lounge, and you know it by now, the result is going to be fantastic. So I'll keep you updated. Speak to you soon.